Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing ammo per click. Wait, actually, I don't think I'll be doing that. You guys know the job. An auto clicker. There. Yo, Nolan, look it. This helps a ton. Yo, guys, all you need is to download OP Auto Clicker, and it helps you so much with your games. It's not that much. Wait, do you have enough for 2 times power? Oh. That's all I'm buying. That's all I can afford. I'm broke. Oh. I almost destroyed his bit. And look at my mouse, guys. I have the Super Strike 2, so I'm just clicking. This is my auto clicker. You see how fast it is? This is me clicking. Actually, I can do better. That's me clicking. Pretty bad, I know. I'm gonna just get 5 wins here. I don't want to wait. No! Man, I'm sorry, guys. My internet's dookie. Okay? It's worse than McDonald's Wi-Fi. Oh! Let me claim it! No! Let me out! Jeez, I have to respawn! No, I'm not. Yo! Give me that better gun. Oh! Yo! Okay, what does this guy have? Oh, he's a spider gun. What the? How do I rebirth? Okay. Oh, this is easy. Oh, 3 times ammo. Man, next I need to be level 30 to rebirth, is what I think. Yo, I'm only at 5,000 ammo. No one. Do you think the auto clicker is cheating?
Yeah, this is
Not really.
in the game, yeah.
Okay. It's just an auto clicker, though. It's not cheating that much, right? I mean, it's a clicking game. I think you might be right. Dude! Ooh, 1,000 times power.
Yo.
Oh, wait, I'm level 20. Let me rebirth. Oh, that's how high of a level I can get. Oh, I need to be max level? Okay. Oh, shoot. Wait, how many wins do I need? 10 wins for a jelly gun? Bet!
This game's easy, though.
Trust me, my auto clicker makes it easy. Can I have, like, faster running speed or something? Because this is annoying. Yo, 50 times per click? Oh, 50. Yeah, 50 times per click. I need that. I'm totally not cheating, guys. It's totally fair.
What the?
You should totally download this to defeat your friends in a game. All you need... Actually, you kind of need a PC, though. Hey! Don't call me dummy, Nolan. Oh! You heard nothing, guys. Yo! Alright, Nolan, I make 200 a click. And I get like 10 times per second, okay? I'm at 80,000 ammo, and I'm not at level 30 yet. Bro. Let me rebirth. There. 5 rebirths required.
Okay. Yo, that is crazy.
What is?
That thing.
My auto clicker?
Yeah.
Not really. I wouldn't say it's a ton, but it definitely helps. Yo, why is it pitch black? What's inside? Mop! Sorry, guys. My internet kicked me. Not my internet. Roblox kicked me because of my dumb dumb internet. Dude, I have the worst internet ever. Trust me, I'm not wrong. Why is there brain rot? Oh my. Why? What is this kid doing jumping? Yo guys, don't start to add me because you see my name, okay? Don't give me friend requests. I already have like 400, 500 friends, okay? California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top. Man, that's my favorite song. Totally. Auto clicker? You can buy an auto clicker? Nah, I got my auto clicker for free. I don't need that shit. Break! Break! Dude! Maybe I should just take the damn wins.
Maybe you should play the game.
What?
Yo, no one.
How are you beating me with ammo? How the fuck? How?
Like that, bro.
You are not! Trust me, you're not! Look at, I got a spider gun now. Oh, Nolan! Look at, I'm beating you now. I have almost 1 million ammo. Perfect. There. Don't be hating in the comments because I have an auto clicker, okay? I hope I have the comments on because some of my other videos, I said to pin in the comments what I need to do for Theme Park Tycoon. Oh, You did not just see Carter PCs, okay? Actually, I'm gonna close YouTube. There. Okay, guys. What rebirth am I at? Oh! 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 Nolan? See how this isn't covering my screen? Oh! Oh! Yo, guys, I think I broke the game. Oh! Oh. Wait, what about shop? Oh! Wait, I can zoom into the trophy. Y'all see what's inside the trophy. Oh! Boost! Wait, what? What is this? A boost? Nobody told me there was a... No one? Is that how you beat me? With a boost? Holy. That's overpowered. Bro, I need to get better. Space War 17 rebirths. Nah. I need to be level 50. I'm almost there. Dude. Oh, come on. There. I leveled up. Yo, how does this person have a bigger gun? How do I get a bigger gun? No, a bigger one.
Yeah, get a better guns.
But these people have the same gun as me, but theirs is bigger. What the fuck? Oh, I can rebirth.
You get way too loud. Question up. 19K, bro.
Come here, boss.
19K. That takes forever.
Yo, my auto clicker doesn't work.
That takes forever.
Ah! I'm not fighting him. I totally did not just become a monkey at that second, okay?
I got 7 million.
Guys, can you please like and subscribe? I only have like 30 subs at this
Maybe if you
moment.
don't be so loud.
I'm not that loud, okay?
Yes, you are. You're screaming.
What?
Oh,
Okay, fine.
don't be that loud.
Fine, bro.
Be that loud. I get 41K, bro.
How are you doing better than me and I have an auto clicker? Bro. That ain't fair. Yo, I just wish I had the dang VIP target. That's only like $30. Just for a target's insane. Yeah, just for a target. Man, I wish you guys could hear my game, but I don't know how to record from my PC yet. I kinda do, not really. Actually. Hold up, guys. Hold up. I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna pause the video. Maybe in the comments you can tell me what to do. Okay, but I'm gonna...
Yeah, what game should we play next?
I don't know. Oops. No, not that!
Ask the chat.
Okay, but I'm not live streaming.
I know, but when we post it, what
Oh, wait,
game
hold
should
up.
we play next?
Hold up!
What game should we play next, guys?
Wait, hold up. You guys, I'm gonna start recording on here. I'm still gonna record it on the phone, but to let you know, I'm gonna be recording on OBS.
What the frick is that?
OBS? No! Oh, oops. Oopsie, guys. Huh. So, guys, we're not gonna be having this game. Okay. Oh, you hear my desktop audio. Okay, bet! Wait, Nolan.
What?
Should we go in a different game?
What?
I don't know. Alright. I got my auto clip. Alright, guys, well, we might switch games.
They will post a new video.
We'll make another video for it, Nolan, though. We can make another video about this game after. Like a part 2. Should we? Because I want to find a different game. Alright, Nolan, should we play a different game?
We will later.
Oh, later, okay.
We just kind of started playing this.
Yeah, sure. I need to get the banana gun. I love the bananas. Oh, wait, that can be sus. Hey, yo, bro got a giant gun. Bro got a thick gun. Oh! No! Trippy Troppy! Why'd I get 2 of them? Okay, inventory. Oh, I have them on already. Yo, can I go faster?
Yes.
How?
I was Vince.
Oh, how are you walking faster?
I'm here. I did it.
What? Yo, I gotta find that upgrade. Walk speed. Oh, can I turn that off? Oh, now my gun's tiny. Alright, I'm gonna make it big though. Okay, I'm lagging my game because of that. Nolan, what are you doing?
I don't know.
I see what you're doing, bro.
Why are you looking?
I don't know. Oh. Yo, you guys, you should totally go see my dog. I have some shorts on my channel. This channel. You should go see my dogs. The big boy dog with the big boy dog is named Ace. The little furry dog, basically furry. I bet he plays furry roleplay. Wait, Nolan. Do you think Oliver would play furry roleplay? No? Yeah, I'm gonna just go back. Give me that. Oh, I'm fasted. Fuck. I need to read. How the? Yo. Okay. I am zooming right now. Dude. Sorry if I'm being really loud. I don't know how long the video's been going. Is that 26 minutes? I don't know. 1 billion. Alright, that's too long. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. Oh.
100 mil.
There, I fixed it.
I got 100 mil, bro.
100 million ammo?
Yeah.
How the fuck?
So far. Where are you?
I don't know.
Back there. Why is your gun so big?
What do you mean?
Is that your gun? No, your gun.
Wait, hold up. Oh. Dude. So if you go to see my video on here, you can hear the game. I don't know if you can hear me. I think so. So if you want to hear me, I think you should watch the video on my phone, which is the one you can hear right now. I'm recording with my phone for this one. So if you go to here, see, you can see, like, you don't see that trim on the top. If you look above the auto clicker here, if you look above that, you can see that's like above my PC, my monitor. So, bro. Dude, can I stop getting the same one? Bro! I'm about to start clapping if I get it again. Finally. Oh, I got a 7%. Oh, wait, how good is that? Not bad, 4x. All right. There. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna save up till I get like 20,000 wins. Actually, I don't even know. I need faster walking speed. How much is it in shop for wins? Dude. No, bro. Dude. Yo. Kalis. If you see this video,
He's not seeing the video.
oh, I'd be happy if he did though. Actually, he doesn't even go on YouTube, I don't think. He does, but barely. So, I don't even care. Holy boy! Huh. I got that. Holy.
What kind of gun do you have?
Banana gun for 1,000 wins.
What the freak?
My internet, bro. Oh, I didn't have my auto clicker on. That's why.
Oh my.
What?
I didn't even ride up and put it.
Alexa, stop the timer. Sorry guys, we had a timer on. We were just like not recording a video at the time. We were grinding Fortnite. And we had a timer for 1 hour and 30 minutes so we can be like grinding Fortnite and see what rank we could get in ranked reload. But we just stopped that. And forgot to pause the timer.
God dang, so much damage. You have an auto clicker.
Me?
Yeah, so it's like 2 times faster. I know. Holy crap. I'm still going by.
You ain't knowing.
What?
When should we go on a bike ride? Because I can record it. Because I have a phone holder on my bike, so I could record when we ride around.
Your electric bike?
Yeah.
Brother! How long is it?
Oh. Nolan, I get 500K per thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You have a better gun and all that.
Oh, yeah.
I get 3 million per clip now.
How?
5 millions.
Oh, your gun.
Yeah, bro.
You had 10,000 wins? Oh, I get 1.5 mil now.
Nice.
10 million! Bro was genuinely overpowered. Okay. I'm not messing around now. Guys, trust me, I'm gonna beat him.
First one to Chile.
A trillion?
I don't know.
Dude, you're already at 4 billion. Surely you have to be by the end, right?
We're one of the like CPUs.
Dude, there's no way. Oh, we've been recording for 27 minutes, Nolan.
There's no way.
What do you mean?
We've recorded way more.
Oh, I'm here. All right, Nolan.
They're already there.
The green?
Yeah. You're almost done. It's about 175.
I've got here. I got like 12,000 wins from it. Yeah, it's 175.
You're doing the next one.
Nah. Bro. I feel like if this video is gonna be like 2 hours, we're gonna stay up till like midnight, bro. Wait, hold up. Can you check what time is it?
We're only gonna go to Chile.
What?
We're only gonna go to like Chile. It's 10.
No, we're only going to Australia until we switch games.
Yeah. That's cool.
But we're not gonna be grinding the games for so long.
I get a 60, 70 mil now. 70 mil now?
Bro.
I'm waiting. Your auto kick now.
It's not that overpowered. Wait, I have to get to level 100? Okay, well. Dude, if I had 4 times power, you wait, the times power is permanent. Dude, if I had like $5 right now, so like 500 Robux, I'd get like 20 times power, bro. Yo, I'm a menace to society, and I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. I better say like 200 it stops. Bruh. But I'm gonna get like 100,000 wins. Who is this guy zooming past me? I bet you guys saw him. Wait, I know what I need, bro. Bro.
Holy, bro. Why is it so hard to break through? Did you break through this?
No. I didn't get through there. I wish I did. How does somebody have 10 NO ammo?
There's so much more.
Alright. Watch, I'm gonna get the best thing. Never mind. I've got the worst. Dude, I literally got nothing good. Actually, pretty good, actually.
Almost there, bro.
What?
Almost there.
Oh, hold up.
42 billion. They're fast. They're all the way back there.
Dude, I bet it's like 230 is where it stops.
No, I think it's 210.
210, bro. Wait, 210?
Maybe not. Yeah, but I don't think. We've got a lot more.
Dude, I hope
You have more ammo than me, bro. Oh
Oh,
my god, I was right.
out more ammo? Yo, Nolan, I'm gonna keep going. Never mind. Yo, 24. How do you get 40,000 wins?
Bye.
Dude,
I have my wings.
I got barely any. There, now I'm fast enough. Bro. This is like hard. We're still far away from trillion. Oh, shoot. Nolan, what? How about this? Once it hits 40 minutes, we have like 4 minutes left. So it's 40 minutes. Should we just switch it that? Because if we're at a trillion, it's like, it's gonna be so long. We've been at this game for so long. Honestly. I don't think they'll want us. Alright, so once you hit a trillion. Wait. Bro. Nolan. Okay. Turn on auto wins. How you do that? Do you do that?
No. It's not that good. It just goes straight up.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I got a 35X.
I have 40x.
Wait, is that the best one?
What?
A 3%. Or did you get the... Oh, you got an Argarina Lapalini.
I got a 50k one. Expensive. Money, money, money. I got 10K left.
Bruh.
In that trail road. Look at
You're almost there.
looks like I won.
Wait, we were battling?
Yeah.
Oh.
What did he say?
Is that what I said?
You're like, I'm not letting be.
Oh.
Good game. 'Cause I just hit a trillion.
Alright, it's time to play something else, guys.
Pause me.
Yo.
Pause video.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna pause it for now until we find the next game.